Yo, 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 how goes it, YouTube? My name is Tom, and this is another edition of TJCMN. And in this particular segment for y'all today, I have yet another unboxing, and this time of the YHY Elevated Cat Bowls. This is the 13-ounce size, but they also do come in the 12-ounce variety as well. And it's a raised cat bowl, so it has an elevated design, so it's good for their neck and posture, just like humans. Like when we're sitting on a computer, we want to make sure we have good posture. When the cats or dogs are eating, you want to make sure they have good posture as well. But this is the cat bowls for food and water, indoor cat dishes, and it's sort of designed in a way to be conducive to reduce the chances of the cat vomiting or something along those lines, just because of the way that they're eating and the posture. Posture is very important, whether you're a human or a pet, or any sort of animal at the end of the day, because it's like any sort of habit. You can start to, if you sit or stand in the wrong posture, it could have an adverse effect in the long term on your physical anatomy and as a consequence your overall health. But not to get so much into the weeds here, let's get into the unboxing, because this is going to have some cool stuff in it. On top of the bowls, it has a bamboo stand for both of the bowls to fit in, and obviously this is it says for cats, but it can also, as I mentioned, be for dogs as well. I mean, who would really be able to tell the manufacturer if they were more of a cat person and wanted you to only use it for them? But I don't think that that's actually the case. I just made that bit up, but regardless, it would still be something that has multiple uses. So I figured it would be good to give an unboxing, because we need to get one of these. It beats using the makeshift plates that we've been using since we moved. We had some other dishes that we didn't bring with us because they were a little bit messy. And this is also dishwasher safe, so in advance, hopefully that is something that might be, might make or break what you make your decision with, because you want to make sure they stay clean, obviously. If it wasn't dishwasher safe, it could bring up some concerning questions, obviously, with its long-term durability. But this one in particular, I got actually for $14.99. I think they just must have raised the price according to the listing on Amazon to $19.99. The 12-ounce version is typically $21.99, which makes me think there might be a price adjustment that just have happened, but it's technically on sale, the smaller version. That this isn't the one, but the 12-ounce one is $17.99 at the moment. Maybe they'll raise it or lower the prices down again, but I got these originally when they were on sale, or I guess the retail price was back then $14.99 about a month ago. Maybe they raised it because with everything, inflation has been hitting people hard, but who knows? Anyways, it'll be linked in the description below if you want to purchase it, along with other helpful resources. And now, without further ado, let's get into the unboxing, because I'm sure you all are as much as the cats excited to see what this is, and for them to be able to, upgrade how they eat. And then this box, or cardboard box, I think the design is actually pretty fancy. Get these over here. Got these. That we don't even need the clipper. Go figure. Put this box to the side. These are the stands. Be careful. Put to the side. And here are the bowls, and they have the logo for the brand. And no, I did not get these for free to review, which would have been nice. Maybe the brand can do that next time, wink wink. But this time we purchased it out of pocket. Wasn't too bad, I think. Even with the price increase, it's still $20, which I think, relatively speaking, $14.99 was still better, but still $20 with how little, I mean, unfortunately, the $5 bill is worth nowadays. Hopefully that'll change. I think even with that increase and that discrepancy, for something like this, it still is worth the bang for the buck, as they would say in the sales. And then you have this. The design's pretty simple. Even I can set it up live, which should tell you something. And then here you are. This is it. And I guess this is not just the unboxing, but as well a setup of the product. So hopefully that was something that was interesting. Maybe I'll have some test footage from the iPad Air unboxing that I recently did, as well as the Pencil Pro, some demos from that. So if you want to check out either, I have the box of the iPad Air here, but I have the Pencil Pro. Check those out in the description. I might have some tests of the cats eating on this and comparing it to how they used to eat. But I do think it's a solid upgrade, and I'll have, obviously, maybe in the future, along with other videos that I have to do following up the other unboxings I did, a product review of this. But if you enjoyed this, let me know. Please comment down below in the description, or not description, the comment section, where the description is down there too, but the comment section is further down. Make sure to give your video a thumbs up. And also subscribe if you haven't already over at youtube.com/TJCMN. And again, if you want to purchase this product and check out the listing page, it'll be linked below along with other resources and references that might be of benefit. And I definitely do encourage you all to check those all out. But anyways, if you all, hopefully enjoyed this, let me know. And I look forward to catching you all in the next segment I make real soon. For now, this has been Tom for TJCMN. I will catch you all again sometime in the near future. For now, stay safe and peace out.